The healing wonders aloe vera and its health benefits. Whenever I heard the name of the aloe vera plant, I think of the natural plant that is being used to make the hair and scalp healthier. Eventually, as I learned its health wonders, I cannot help but feel happy that I got to discover this medicinal plant as a health wonder. In this article, let us get to know some of its health perks and privileges. 1. Aloe vera is widely used in all industries, may it is the industry of cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, or food. Aloe vera is one of the principal components. With its excellent texture and compound within its sticky and thick leaves lie tons of mineral that are useful in creating products for different industries. These include antioxidants, amino acids, and vitamins. 2. Antioxidants powers. Antioxidants help the body fight harmful chemicals and radicals. With enough supply of this, one is assured of a healthier body and of a stronger immune system. The growth of harmful bacteria could be prevented and even eradicated with enough supply of antioxidants. 3. Healing powers. Suffering from burns? Well, the cooling effect paired with the cold components of this plant could help you get over with burns immediately. It gives an extra healing impact as well as a relief effect on the affected area. No wonder that it has also been used as an ointment for such burn conditions. 4. Healthy oral health. Would you like to reduce such plaque? This medicinal plant could also work its magic in this case. Remember that when oral health is excellent, one is a step ahead towards overall health status. If the oral health is deteriorating, expect that it could also lead to a lot of body and health complications. To make use of this plant in this purpose, use it as a mouth rinse or mouth wash. I am sure that you will see the promising results in no time. 5. Aloe vera prevents canker sores. Canker sores, or also known as mouth ulcers, have been proven to be reduced or healed through this plant. It is concluded that when this plant is converted into a gel, it could work its magic into any skin rashes, burns, wounds, or whatever irritation condition. The antibacterial effect of it makes the process of healing faster and better. 6. Aloe vera can decrease the constipation. Feeling full or bloated? Well, those are just some signs of constipation. To be sure that your digestive health works perfectly fine, go for an aloe vera. Its laxative effect will regulate your bowel movement to a reasonable level, making you less prone to indigestion and constipation. 7. Aloe vera can reduce the wrinkles. The effect of aloe vera on the skin, particularly on wrinkles, is impressive. If you feel worried about the developing fine lines as signs of old age, making use of this plant as a gel to be applied to the affected area is highly recommended. It nourishes and stretches the skin into its original nourished and elastic form. 8. Aloe vera can lower one's blood sugar levels. If you are diabetes or someone who always worries about your sugar level, including aloe vera as part of your daily routine is also highly encouraged. It enhances insulin sensitivity, resulting in a much-managed sugar level. The general idea is this medicinal plant has always been a health wonder. With the technological advancement that we have today in the field of medicine and science, I know that the discovery about this medicinal plant will continue to flourish in the coming years. Thank you very much for watching and support.